Hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So on today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called Clickworker. So what is the work of this website? So this website pays you for simple online tasks. So you just need to do is complete an online task and you literally get paid for it. And it is literally for anyone who wants to have a site also in 2025. So now let's look at the website together guys. So as you can see here it says make your AI system smarter with high quality multi-facet. So as you can see here, AI training data. So let's go down. You can see here it says best input for your AI system. So we use the power of our global cloud of Clickworker to generate, validate and label data. You can see here it says the versatility of our team of qualified click workers ensure you receive high quality, reliable AI training data that represent the kind of diversity that helps your AI model powerful and train your AI system to perfection. You can see here other AI training data that is specifically tailored to your requirements and goals of your AI system. So that also works guys. You can also train your AI with Clickworker. So like that's mostly what it's based on right now, but you can still do other things on the website guys. So now as you can see here it says computer vision. Your AI system will gain high level insight by using natural images or videos created according to your requirements, specifically for its application by our diverse crowd. As you can see here it says audio and NLP. And see here your AI system learn to interact appropriately with human natural language and to analyze its content data by feeding it with human created training data. As you can see here, the last one here says text recognition and NLP, which means improve AI for text recognition and NLP with our tailored training data, our diverse text data and precise audio transcription enhance your application performance. So everything is available on Clickworker guys. As you can see here, North America 46%, Europe 30%, Asia 15%, South America 7%, Africa 1%, Oceania 1%. So everything guys, you can see here more than 7 million Clickworkers based in 136 countries worldwide. So that's just how it works guys. So now let's go to solution. As you can see here, solution overview, AI database for ML, survey respondent. You see here everything are available guys. So now let's go to survey respondent. Let's go here. You can see here it says surveys respondents find market research participants. It says feedback and consumer information are crucial to the success of any businesses. So our survey service help you collect the information you need. With over 7 million click workers, we provide you with survey respondents to give you valuable feedback on your products, services, target audience, consumer and their behavior. So everything are available on Clickworker guys. You need to check it out so that you can see yourself. As you can see here, this is the earn money as a Clickworker option guys. So you need to check it and sign up guys. So that's just how it works guys. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time.